Haha, so you want to make some money online with your mobile phone, am I right? So in this very short video, I'm literally gonna break down and show you, walk you through, holding your hand and show you 3 free applications that you can download using your Android phone, using your iPhone, whatever phone you're using, and you can start to make money online fast in 2019, and it's 100% worldwide, 100% legit. I'm gonna walk you through instead 3 applications, right? And if you combine these 3 different applications, and you can actually make a lot of money, trust me. And it is very important for you to watch until the end, because you don't want to miss some important key information right on this video. But before diving in and showing you the actual apps, and I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. My name is Branson, and I put up new video every single day, just like this one, showing you different methods, different websites, different apps that you can make money online and create an income so that you can live a life of freedom. So be sure to go down there, click on the subscribe button right now, and turning on the notification bell on the side so that I can send you my brand new videos every single day, right? So let us dive into today's first application. I'm super excited because for this one, it is like so famous. They have been there since 2012, and they have paid over $5 million to people that using this application to earn money. That is Feature Points. Okay, Feature Points, you might have heard of it because they're just so famous, so legit. And let me show you the application right there. You can literally download this on your phone. You go to the Google Play Store and you type in Feature Points, right? And you can download this application and you sign up, create a free account, or you just go to your phone and type in featurepoints.com and you just put in your email and you sign up and you can get started. So right away, when you first sign up, they're gonna give you 50 free points. Okay, when you first sign up, that is like free money, right? Free money, and you can convert those points into cash or into gift cards, into different things. Let me show you, right? Like for example, Amazon gift card, Best Buy, eBay, Nike, or PayPal cash. Okay, depending on what you like, different rewards that you can cash out, right? They paid over 5.6 million rewards since 2012, and the number one features that you can use right now using these Feature Points apps is that you can actually earn cash back. So if you are somebody who shop a lot using, online, using your computer, using your phone, maybe you buy Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart, or whatever, they have a list of different shops that you can buy something and you can actually earn cash back, meaning that you can save money using this application, right? Maybe before that, you don't know about these Feature Points and you are spending money and you are not actually earning cash back. And why not? Today, right now, you download these apps, and if you want to buy something, you go on the application and can check that whether do they have some online store on this application. If there is, you can buy from these apps and you can actually save money and earning cash back from there. And also you're gonna earn points and you can convert those points into money. So how good that is, right? That is the number one features right there. And also the second features is that you can complete different surveys and actually answer different short question and actually share your opinion, and you're gonna get paid and earn points from there. Maybe do you own a dog? Like what car do you drive? Do you own any game consoles? Like, simple stuff, because they want to know your opinion so that they can share this information with other people, but it's 100% anonymous. They will not share your private information with other people, right? So this is another way that you can earn points and convert that into money. And also the third method, which is download different application. Maybe they want you to download Instagram, they pay you 250 points. They want you to download Clash of Titans and they give you 200 points. So you can actually try different free games, free application, and you can earn points very quickly, right? This is the third method that you can do that. And also the fourth point right there, this is super powerful. That is not much application actually have this option to make money, which is where you can share with your friend or you can refer your friend to this application. And when you log into your application, you actually have a referral code. Okay, maybe it is like ABC123, okay, just an example. So that is your referral code, your special referral code. So whenever people, when they download these apps, they sign in and they put in your referral codes, they're gonna earn some free points from you, right? So, and also for whatever money, whatever points that they earn, you're gonna earn 50% every time your friends earn the point for life, right? It will not expire. So maybe you recruit like this one friend and they earn about 10,000 points, and you will earn 5,000 points for free without you doing anything. So imagine if you're able to refer, let's say 10 different people, 20 different people, and they're gonna help you to earn point passively without you actually doing the thing. But if you are hardworking, you can actually go do the surveys, refer more people, download the apps, and that's how you can actually earn way more money. Okay, so that is very cool methods, and I see a lot of actually people, they're creating YouTube videos and talk about this application, and they leave their link down in the video description, and people might download it, people might put their referral code inside, because it is a win-win situation, right? Somebody use your referral code, they're gonna earn instant point, and also you're gonna earn 50% for whatever they earn in the future. So it's a win-win situation. So you are literally helping people and also earning more money at the same time. And also after that, you can redeem your points for different rewards. And if you want to cash out using PayPal Cash, you have to have minimum $3 in order to cash out. But for Amazon gift card, it's just minimum $1, and you can start to cash out, right? So there's different options where you can earn money, not only PayPal, because I believe a lot of you guys, maybe you don't have a PayPal account, so it's 100% fine. You can have different payment option in today's methods right here. And let me show you the Google Play Store. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the logo, FP feature points, and this is what it looks like when you go inside there, and they have literally 3.8 stars. Over 111 reviews. They're really solid application, as you can see. And also let us go into the second application today, which is iPoll. Okay, iPoll is actually an application where you can do surveys and share your opinions and actually earn money at the same time. It's something similar to feature points, right? So this is basically how it works. Okay, and they're going to ask you a few different questions, and you have to answer them about certain products or certain services that you use, and the places that you visit every day is all you have to do, right? So maybe they're gonna give you a job admission, a survey today, and ask you to give maybe a survey about Coca-Cola, a Coca-Cola that you drink, and they want you to answer a few questions regarding Coca-Cola, and they're gonna pay you for whatever answer the surveys that you have completed, right? So let me show you one example. They're gonna pay you through PayPal and also Amazon gift cards, right? So let me show you this, how much country they're actually covering. Maybe you are from UK, you are from US, you are from India, you're from, Indonesia, Malaysia, South Africa, Australia, whatever country you are in, they're covering different countries, and available in iOS as well as Android. So for example, let us click on one of these, and you're gonna see the application right there. This is a logo of iPoll, and you can literally find different surveys that you can see right there, $3, $5, different surveys, a whole list of surveys where you can choose an answer and actually earn money, answer a few simple questions, and you can start to cash out and redeem different points, different cash rewards. Okay, so this is basically how it works. 3.8 stars out of 5, so basically above average review for iPoll. And also the third application that I want to share with you, so that you can earn extra income that without doing something difficult, no special skills, right? And that is AppTrailer, meaning you can actually watch different trailers on this application, some famous and really fun videos, short trailers that you can watch, and you can actually earn points and convert that into gift cards or free cash with money from PayPal. So this is a very legit website as well. I've seen this for like years. Okay, for years AppTrailers has been here. As you can see, this is the AppTrailer back office. When you're logging in, you have different videos where you can watch and you can earn points, and they will show how much points you have accumulated. And once you have think that you want to cash out, you can do that and convert that into gift cards or PayPal cash. Okay, also you can also invite your friend, refer to your friend, and earn 500 points for that. So it is really another cool method. So if you combine 3 different applications, feature points, iPoll and AppTrailer, you can literally make a lot of money using your phone. But Again, that is not like get rich quick overnight, right? You have to really do the work, like download the apps, watch the trailer, refer to friend. But if you really put in the work, right, it's a really legit methods, and for worldwide that you can actually create an income online. That's what I'm excited for, to share all this information in this video with you. It is really, really cool, right? Watch trailers of hot apps, collect reward points, and after that you can redeem them, different stuff that you can earn money. And also in the Google Play, there's a logo of app trailer, and you can see right there, this is something when you log in, you can like play daily quiz, like watch video, play apps, and you can see how much points each of these things that you can buy and cash out. And for example, some of the surveys, right, they're gonna ask you like name of the logo, and you have to answer them, like just different things that you can do, that you can download and check them out inside your application. 3.8 stars out of 42,000 reviews, so they're a really pretty solid application I can see right there. So that's what I want to share with you in today's video, the 3 applications to help you to earn money, and absolutely free. That's how you can make money online fast in 2019. So that's all I want to share with you in today's video. If you like this, if you find some value, if you learn something from me, be sure to go down there, click on the like button, and also comment down below if you have any question. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Branson, and I put up new videos just like this one, showing you different methods to make money online, earn money online. And that's it, guys. You guys make an awesome day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.